Up next, we have open spaces. I hope you all had a chance to fill up the board.
Welcome back to Open Spaces. Today we have almost 8 topics. We had 5 remaining from yesterday, and we have added around 3 today. Only yeah, sure. You can add. We'll be having all the sessions parallelly today. We won't have a list of sessions before and then after. We have a bit of time today, but since it's difficult for people to move from one session to another, we'll have all the sessions parallelly. We'll have a bit of time today, so if you want to suggest, we'll have 3-4 minutes for suggesting any new topic, and we'll spread into groups, and then we'll start the open spaces. We have a coffee one-on-one session happening in Robusta. If you want to join there, you can join there as well. That will happen parallel to open spaces as well. Anyone who wants to add a topic here? Okay, cool. I don't think anyone else is suggesting anything. So we have a bunch of topics. I think we have around 10. So we can start grouping in as depending on basically the interest you have. Can you move there? Okay, so first topic is app deployments. I'll talk about all the app deployment toolings that you have in the cloud native ecosystem and outside of that. So if you want to talk about app deployments, you can start grouping in here. Second topic is FinOps. If you're interested in cost optimization, FinOps toolings and all of that, we'll start here. You want to do it there? Okay. FinOps table, can you raise your hand? That's the FinOps. If you want to go there, you can join that table for FinOps. Third topic is observability. See, it will be difficult for me to track where every conversation is, so you'll have to figure out and talk to people where all of the places are. But first is here, app deployment. FinOps is there. Third is observability. Will happen here. If you're interested in talking about observability, you can join here. Anybody who wants to lead that? Anybody interested in talking about observability? Join us here.
I think we had this yesterday. Observability.
Anyone else for observability? Okay. Sorry, dude. Yes, there were 2 topics there. It was very similar, but yeah. Okay, cool. Next is hybrid cloud. We can have it here. Anybody interested in a hybrid cloud? Discussing around that? Anyone else? Okay. Last call. You can come here, this area.
Someone suggested that also, right? Hybrid cloud management.
Yeah, this was one of the topics from yesterday.
So if you can take the lead, come here. I know eventually once we dismantle, everybody will join the groups. So I have tried, these are in the halls.
If there is not enough people in the group, you're free to join any other group.
Right.
If that doesn't work out, you don't have enough people to have conversations, so you can join other groups. Next is sidecarless service mesh. Who wants to discuss about service mesh and all of that?
Okay.
Can you guys come forward here? Next is DevRel. Who wants to take up DevRel? Okay, just behind this here. Okay, let's do it in that table. Let's do it here. DevRel here. Next is SSO for all production resources. Anyone who wants to talk about SSO and everything around that? Anyone?
Single sign-on.
SSO? Not a single person. Someone suggested this for sure.
and that too today, so they are here.
Okay, no one up for SSO, I guess. Environment as code, very interesting topic. Anybody wants to? Okay, environment as code here. Anybody else interested? We have a lot of people not interested in literally anything. If you want to suggest any new topic, we are free to take that as well. since there are a few cancellations. Okay, environment is code here. Nothing comes up, you guys can join the groups.
I think they're just waiting for us to leave so that they can form the groups or join
Yeah.
the groups.
After that is Carpenter versus cluster autoscaler. Anybody who wants to talk about cluster autoscaling? Okay, can we have it here? Here? Let's have it here, okay? Yes, form chair around. Last is cube fed. Federated cube clusters. Anybody wants to talk about that? The same group? Perhaps join? Have one discussion after another? Anyone else for federated clusters, Kubernetes clusters and all of that? Okay. I guess that's all the topics. We're still waiting. If you want to suggest a topic, we can list your topic here and we can allocate a space for you. There's still time.
Or you can just see, we have kind of given a rough idea where it is like row first is that one, like column 1, row 1 is the first app deployment, then FinOps is last row, hybrid cloud is second column first, and then you have sidecarless service mesh, which is third first, and then you have DevRel, which is third back, and then you have environment as code, which is third column middle, and then you have Carpenter cluster autoscaler, which is the first middle. Yeah, so rough idea where it is, so you can now.
Yeah, we can
pair
start. We can start arranging your chairs however you want, folks. There is a coffee one-on-one session going on in Robusta. If you want to, if you are not interested in literally anything, you can learn about how to brew coffee in Robusta.
Single sign on.
You guys, okay. Yeah, you can form chairs around, create a circle. After the next sessions, we're going to start with lightning talks. If you have a lightning talk added here, please come forward, sit, and we'll try to do those talks on a single laptop. So if you can join us here in front, if you have a lightning talk added here, please come forward.